Here's little monkey. Little monkey in the chair. Yeah, little monkey in the chair. I say that because when I'm not looking, the swing stops. And I thought the batteries were going out. And here Jillian has been reaching out with one long arm and grabbing the side of the swing stand and stopping herself. I think she's getting a little tired of the swing, looking for some adventure, weren't ya? Yeah. She got that little red ball at a birthday party. It was Emma's birthday party my friend Jennifer had, and we got little favors. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? Yeah. Can you do your trick for us? Yeah. Are you coughing? Yeah, I'm trying to catch you doing your trick. There you are. You gonna catch it? You were getting close there. She's kind of doing it. Yeah, you were kind of reaching for that, weren't ya? We're gonna wait. We're just gonna be patient and wait. Yeah. Yeah. You just being a ham for the camera? Are you just being a little ham for the camera? Yes, looking pretty cute. Come on, we want to see you do your trick. You're probably not going to do it now because Mom's entertaining you. Yeah, you're probably not going to do it. Yes, we have found that sound, haven't we? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cute. All right, well, I guess we'll maybe next time. Maybe we'll catch you next time, Jilly. Okay. Bye-bye.